Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is graph our function and see if we have any real solutions, which we do. Here I've got the function graph, 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. And if I zoom in here, I can see that I have one real solution right here at 1. Okay, so x equals 1 is a real solution. Oops, sorry. Okay. So now once we know a real solution, we can change that to a factor. Right? The corresponding factor, we take the opposite value. So this is positive 1. X minus 1 is the factor. And now we can divide our function by that factor and get the remaining quadratic. Remember, when we divide one that's missing a term, we put a placeholder in it. Okay? And so now we're just going to divide. I guess I could do this long division or synthetic division, so we'll make the -1 positive, 2 -5, 0, 3. Bring down your first term. 1 times 2 is 2. -3. 1 times -3 is -3, plus 0 is -3. 1 times -3 is -3. Remainder 0, which is what I would expect to happen if I'm dividing by a factor. So I'm left with 2x squared minus 3x minus 3. And now to get my remaining solutions, I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the quadratic. So I have 2x squared minus 3x minus 3, and I'm using the quadratic. X equals minus b, change the sign on b. It's -3, so it becomes positive. Square root, b squared, 9, minus 4a and c, all over 2a, okay? And now I end up with x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of, well, this is 8. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 9 is 33, all over 4. So I think this is our two solutions. X equals, I can write this 3/4 plus square root of 33 over 4. And x equals 3/4 minus the square root of 33 over 4. So I think your question was about this part right here. You had to divide this correctly, but it's -4, a is 2, and c is -3. So this would be a positive 12 times 2 is 24, plus 9 is 33. Okay? And again, I come up with 2x squared minus 3x minus 3 by dividing my cubic by one factor, which is x minus 1. So also, I need to keep in mind that I did have another solution. Let's not forget that one, at x equals 1. And that one came from the graph. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have more questions.